Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to transfer money from your Zilch account to your bank account step by step. So step 1, open the Zilch app and go to your dashboard or card balance screen. Step 2, tap the manage card or transfer balance depending on the version of your app. Step 3, select the withdraw to bank or similar option. And then Zilch may show your linked bank account if you already added one. Step 4. If you haven't linked a bank account yet, you can tap Add Bank and enter your account number, sort code, and other required bank details. And then Step 5. Choose the amount that you want to transfer from your Zilch balance and confirm the transaction. Step 6. Depending on your bank, the money may arrive instantly or within 1 to 3 business days. And now, your Zilch funds are successfully transferred to your bank account. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.